Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame Love and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Sagittarius, I would really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. And if this message does not resonate with you Sagittarius, you may check in your moon and your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. Also Sagittarius, on today's reading I will be looking on both your energy and your person energy, and then towards the end of the reading I will also be pulling up some advice card or spirit cards messages for both of you Sagittarius. Alright, so let's get into the reading here. On this side is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly into their chart. Now let's look into the energy that I've got coming up for you here Sagittarius. I've got the Ace of Pentacles coming in here. And then I've got the Queen of Wands and the King of Swords energy with the Seven of Wands. Now with these two energy that I've got coming up here, the King of Swords and the Queen of Wands energy coming up here, I'm getting that even though there is this very strong pull energy towards both of you here Sagittarius, but deep down I feel like it seems that both of you here are a completely different person. It's almost like the opposite attracting with one another. So what are the differences that I'm getting coming up here is that with this King of Swords energy here, I feel like your person at this time having this very strong hesitancy energy here to communicate with you, or at least to start up to just start the communication in general, I would say here. Some of them here Sagittarius also have this very strong pain or trauma, I would say here, that making them unable to communicate themselves. So the energy that I've got coming up from your person here Sagittarius is that they are building up this high defensive wall up surrounding them. Sometimes here they could also be coming up as a little bit rude or harsh in communication. Now the difference with you here is that you are coming up as the Queen of Wands energy here. You are starting up to understand your own power, I would say here Sagittarius, and this is what make you to start standing up into your own power and just like start to be the leader that you are actually desiring to be, I would say here. So with this Queen of Wands energy that I've got coming up here, I'm getting a full of wonderful and positive energy here. Yes, you may have, you may have some sort of like a past pain and past trauma, but looking into the energy at this point of time and throughout the month of September 2021 here, I feel like you have made that particular decision. Okay, this is it, like this is me. I'm going to be focusing on myself. I'm going to focusing on how to heal myself and just like starting to enjoy myself. That is the way that I'm getting coming out from your energy here Sagittarius, which is also why I've got the Ace of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands energy coming up here. It's quite interesting with this Seven of Wands energy that I've got coming up for you here Sagittarius. This is basically like you are starting to like setting up necessary boundaries within yourself here, and just like like closing up yourself from any energy, any people, any external circumstances, or even like internal circumstances here that are no longer serving you, I would say. So with this Seven of Wands energy here, you are like, okay, is this thing or is this person benefiting me? Like, could I learn something from this? Do I get something new from this? Like you are starting to ask yourself those questions before actually mingling with other people, or before actually jumping into any type of project or any type of situation, I would say. So this is definitely like a wonderful energy is what I'm getting coming up for you. Now coming back to this Ace of Pentacles energy here, you are being very clear and very decisive about what is it that you want from your life. So it's like, I think at this point of time here, your major focus Sagittarius is that how to be independent within yourself here, both mentally, emotionally, as well as financially here as well. So it's like you are focusing on how to building up your brand, building up your business, working on your career, getting the job done, like starting to go back to school, just learning things so you can actually building up, or you can actually rebuilding up your life again here. So I would say here that you are definitely already on the right track here, Sagittarius. Now let's look at into your person energy here. It's quite interesting because I've got the Two of Pentacles coming up here and the Three of Wands energy here. I'm getting like a little bit of off balance energy again, like what I mentioned in the beginning of the reading here. They are definitely at this point of time building up unnecessary walls surrounding themselves. Again, I can't really say it's unnecessary because it's more of like a defensive mechanism, I would say here, coming out from your person. There could be some sort of like an emotional pain, childhood trauma that they might have gone through in the past, which is triggering them or prompting them to building up this high defensive wall up. Now coming back to the off balance energy that I'm getting coming out from your person here, Sagittarius, is that part of them here wants to actually make an attempt to communicate with you, or to just like see how things will be moving forward here. Like with this Three of Wands energy here, some of you here, Sagittarius, there are this very strong distance energy, I would say here, physical distance between both of you at this point of time. Physically, could be living in another country, living in another state, or just like having some distance, I would say. So I do feel like, and I do see them like trying to like come and visiting you, I would say here, or just like trying to just like meet up with you, or just like try to start up the communication. But at the same time here, I do not see any much progress coming out from them, because what I'm getting coming out from your person here is that even though they are ready to open up the communication here, but will the communication actually be moving forward is the bigger question. Because it's not important about just communicating with them one day and then like they're just going to be disappearing for like the rest of the year, for example. And the reason for that here is that with this Queen of Cups energy here, they are currently coming up from unbalanced feminine energy is what I'm getting here. Now, it does not matter whether they're a male or they're a female, but they're coming up as an unbalanced feminine energy, especially when it comes into their emotion. So with this Queen of Cups energy coming up here, I feel like they do not really have a role model, I would say here, in their life, where they could actually like see on how to deal with their emotion or how to be open with their emotion. Now, this is the difference energy that I'm getting coming out from both you and your person here, Sagittarius. Like, I do understand the hesitation here, but at the same time, I don't really think that it is worth it to put your energy or to just like, because honestly here, Sagittarius, you are having this quite positive mindset, I would say here. Like, you're already like setting up your mindset, this is the way that you want to be going. I don't want you to get distracted again here, because even though the communication is definitely picking up here between both of you, but I don't really see it's worth it to just pause or to just like walk away from whatever you're doing at this time to just put your energy back into this. Because honestly, your person needs a lot of healings at this point of time here. I'm not saying that they're never going to be progressing, because I do see progress coming up here as well. But at this time, the progress might be a little bit of a slow moving energy is what I'm getting here, Sagittarius. Now let's pull up some advice card or spirit cards message for you. So the message that I've got coming up for you here, Sagittarius, I've got freedom. Live wild and free, choose your freedom, claim your independence. Again, confirming the whole reading once again here is that which one that are you going to choose? Choose your freedom, claim your independence, live wild and free. So I feel like this is the message that from your spirit cards here, is that to choose yourself at this time. Because no matter what you're going to do here, is that your person is definitely on their own track of healing and transformation. I feel like if you try to put on hold of your goal and like whatever you want to be doing in your life here, it's not only going to be delaying the connection, but both of you are just going to be coming back into that stagnancy energy here. So that's it for your reading here, Sagittarius. I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.